Welcome to a new advanced Python topic, encapsulation using decorators. Encapsulation is one of the core principles of object-oriented programming. It means bundling data and the methods that operate on that data into a single unit, and, crucially, restricting direct access to some of the object's components. 1. The need for encapsulation. Consider this simple class. The age attribute can be directly modified from outside the class. This poses a problem because there is no built-in control, allowing us to set an invalid state such as a negative age. Encapsulation aims to prevent this direct, uncontrolled access and enforce data validity. Two, getters and setters. Traditionally, in object-oriented programming, encapsulation is achieved using private attributes and public methods called getters and setters. A getter retrieves the attribute's value, and a setter method sets the value, often including validation logic to ensure the value is valid before assignment. 3. The Pythonic Way, the property decorator. Python offers a much cleaner, Pythonic way to achieve this using the property decorator. The property decorator allows a method to be accessed like an attribute. This lets us use a getter method without changing the client code from using dot notation. We use a leading underscore, like _age, as a convention to mark an attribute as intended to be private and not directly accessed. To summarize, the property decorator is key to clean encapsulation in Python. Our next lecture 39.02, Setter and Getters. See you there.